Hello, lovelies. Today we are making pinkaso. No any long talk. Let's get started. In a bowl, I add in spring onion, add pepper. I'm using a scotch bonnet. Then I add onion, add water, and then I blend all together. In another bowl, I pour in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I add half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of instant yeast, and then I stir all together. So the four ingredients we blended together, I will scoop 4 tablespoons and then I add it to the flour. Then I add 220 mils of water. You can use lukewarm water or water at room temperature, but do not use water from the refrigerator, okay? So I will stir all together to form a batter, or should I say dough, whatever. Now I'll go ahead, cover this, and then allow it to rest for at least 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, this is what I have. Now I go ahead and then take out the excess air in it. We don't need that. After that, I will add 1 tablespoon of the blended ingredients and then I stir all together. At this point, it's ready to be fried. So I believe your oil is on fire because mine is already on fire. So I will test my oil by using onion. You have to be sure that the oil is well heated before you scoop and then drop your butter in the oil, okay? So you can use onion to test it. When it comes to scooping and dropping to create that signature, I mean that hole, is very simple. When you scoop the butter, you use your thumb to create the hole and then you cut the end and drop in the oil, as simple as that, okay? So you just watch what I'm doing and trust me, you can do it and even do it better. So one thing you should know about pinkaso is that when frying, it shouldn't turn golden brown before you remove them from the oil. As soon as it starts to feel crunchy, that means that it's ready. It shouldn't become golden brown like that of puff puff before you remove from the oil. Okay, so take note about that. First batch is ready, and can you feel the crunchiness? I guess you do. Hello there. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So guys, I changed my position so that you will see how I scoop and then create the hole in the middle and then drop in the oil. I hope you are watching it carefully. You can give it a try at home. Trust me, you can do it. Please show some love by liking the video. I beg. Seriously, I beg. You guys should like the video for me, okay? So second batch too is ready. The rest I will do that off camera. And boom, our pinkaso is ready. So I go ahead, sprinkle some sugar on it, and this is totally optional. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.